From zero to hero, transforming ordinary cars into racing machines. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on the thrilling journey of transforming ordinary cars into racing machines. Many dream of driving a high-performance racing car, but the reality of owning one can be financially out of reach for most. However, with the right knowledge and tools, it's possible to transform an ordinary car into a racing machine that can compete on the track. This journey from zero to hero requires a combination of skill, dedication, and strategic modifications. In this guide, we'll explore the steps involved in turning a standard vehicle into a formidable racing contender. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. 1. Define your goals. Before diving into the transformation journey, it's crucial to establish your racing objectives. Are you targeting circuit racing, drag racing, rally racing, or another discipline? Each racing type demands distinct modifications to suit its unique challenges. For instance, circuit racing emphasizes cornering ability and high-speed performance, while drag racing prioritizes acceleration and straight-line speed. Tailoring modifications to align with your chosen racing style ensures that your transformed car is optimized for success on the track. 2. Research and planning. Thorough research serves as the cornerstone of your transformation journey. Start by delving into the regulations and requirements specific to your chosen racing discipline. Understanding these rules is paramount to ensure compliance and eligibility for competition. Next, conduct a comprehensive analysis of your car's performance characteristics. Identify strengths and weaknesses to pinpoint areas ripe for enhancement. With this knowledge in hand, meticulously plan your modifications, ensuring they align harmoniously with your objectives and financial constraints. This strategic approach maximizes the effectiveness of your transformation efforts, setting the stage for racing success. 3. Upgrade the engine. At the core of every formidable racing machine lies its engine. Elevating its performance is paramount, and this begins with upgrading key components. High-performance elements like camshafts, pistons, intake systems, and exhaust headers are instrumental in unleashing additional horsepower and torque. These enhancements optimize engine efficiency, translating to improved acceleration and top speeds on the track. For even more substantial power gains, consider integrating a turbocharger or supercharger. These forced induction systems compress air intake, resulting in heightened engine power output, catapulting your transformed vehicle into the realm of true racing prowess. 4. Enhance suspension and handling. Racing prowess extends beyond mere straight-line speed. It hinges on the vehicle's ability to navigate corners with precision and stability. Elevating the suspension system is pivotal in achieving this feat. Upgrading components such as springs, shocks, sway bars, and bushings enhances the vehicle's handling dynamics, fostering greater control and responsiveness on the track. These modifications bolster stability, allowing drivers to push the limits while maintaining confidence in the car's capabilities. Furthermore, fine-tuning adjustments to alignment and ride height enable customization to suit varying track conditions, ensuring optimal performance in any racing scenario. 5. Brake system upgrades. A dependable braking system is paramount for safety and performance in racing. Upgrading to high-performance brake pads, rotors, and calipers enhances stopping power and reduces brake fade during intense racing conditions. By swapping out standard components for their high-performance counterparts, you optimize friction and heat dissipation, resulting in shorter stopping distances and consistent braking performance. This upgrade instills confidence in drivers, allowing them to push their vehicles to the limit while maintaining control and ensuring safety on the track. 6. Lightweight modifications. Trimming excess weight is vital for optimizing acceleration, handling, and overall performance in racing. Swapping heavy components with lightweight alternatives such as carbon fiber body panels, aluminum wheels, and racing seats is key. Carbon fiber panels maintain structural integrity while significantly reducing weight, improving agility on the track. Lightweight aluminum wheels minimize unsprung mass, enhancing responsiveness and cornering ability. Racing seats, crafted from lightweight materials, provide essential support without adding unnecessary bulk. Prioritizing weight reduction unlocks the full potential of the vehicle, granting a competitive advantage in racing scenarios. 7. Aerodynamic enhancements. Aerodynamics are pivotal for achieving peak performance in racing. Enhancing aerodynamic features such as aero kits, splitters, diffusers, and spoilers is essential to bolster downforce and enhance stability, particularly at high speeds. These modifications optimize airflow around the vehicle, minimizing drag and maximizing traction for improved handling and cornering capability. Additionally, conducting wind tunnel testing allows for precise fine-tuning of aerodynamic components, ensuring maximum efficiency and performance gains. By prioritizing aerodynamics, racers can harness the full potential of their vehicles, gaining a competitive edge on the track. 8. Upgrade transmission and drivetrain. A robust transmission and drivetrain are vital for efficiently transferring power in high-performance vehicles. Upgrading to a high-performance gearbox, limited slip differential, and stronger axles is essential to handle the increased power and torque generated by engine enhancements. A high-performance gearbox ensures smooth gear changes, optimizing acceleration. Meanwhile, a limited slip differential improves traction, enhancing cornering stability. Strengthening axles reduces the risk of component failure under high stresses. These upgrades maximize the efficiency and reliability of the transmission and drivetrain, providing a competitive edge on the track. 9. Safety equipment installation. In the high-stakes world of racing, safety takes precedence. Installing critical safety equipment such as a roll cage, racing harnesses, and fire suppression systems is essential to safeguard against potential accidents. A roll cage reinforces the vehicle's structure, offering crucial protection in rollovers or collisions. Racing harnesses securely anchor the driver, minimizing injury risks during abrupt stops or impacts. Furthermore, fire suppression systems swiftly douse potential fires, reducing the chances of harm or vehicle damage. Prioritizing safety measures is paramount for drivers to mitigate risks and ensure their well-being on the track. 10. Tuning and testing. Once modifications are complete, tuning is necessary to optimize performance and reliability. Work with a skilled tuner to adjust engine parameters, suspension settings, and other variables for optimal performance on the track. Rigorous testing and fine-tuning are essential to ensure your transformed car performs at its best. Transforming an ordinary car into a racing machine is a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. It requires careful planning, meticulous attention to detail, and a passion for performance. By following these steps and continuously refining your setup through testing and feedback, you can turn your dream of racing success into a reality. So buckle up, hit the track, and unleash the full potential of your transformed machine. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.